Hello students, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about the lesson decimal, and in this part 1 of this video we will discuss only about the tenths. Okay, without wasting time let us start the video today. But before we begin, I'm Sir Vikas and you are watching Online Vikas. So now you can see the figure here, 3 figures I have drawn already. So among these 3 figures, first let us discuss the first one. Okay, so you know about the fraction, right? So can we express this as a fraction? You can say yes. So what we will do, how many total boxes are here? You can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 boxes are here. Out of these 10 boxes, only one box is shaded. So can we write it as 1 by 10? Yes or no? Yes. So similarly, what can we write in the as a fraction? What can we write here? You can say here it is 10 equal parts. All are equal parts. So out of that 10 equal parts, three parts are shaded. And similarly here, out of the 10 boxes, 7 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 boxes are shaded. So 7 by 10. So these are the fractional form of my drawn figure. Now this is called 1/10. This is called what? 1/10. Okay, and this is called 3/10, and this is called 7/10. Okay, so now in the decimal portion, okay, in the decimal portion we will deal with only that kind of fraction whose denominators are either 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, so to be very clear, see the definition. A fraction with the denominator 10, 100 or 1000 is called a decimal number, or simply decimal. That means we will deal only with that kind of fraction whose denominators are 10 or 100 or 1000. Except them, we will not discuss any other kind of fraction. Okay, in this part of decimal we will discuss only this type of fraction. So now again come to here, 1 by 10 it is read as 1/10, 3 by 10 it is read as 3/10, the 7 by 10 it is read as 7/10. In the beginning of this video I told you that in our video, in this part of this video, we will discuss only the tenth. Okay, now this 1 by 10, this 1 by 10 can also be written as 1 and put a point here, 0.1, right? Now you see this place is empty, so we can write a 0 here, decoration purpose only. Okay, 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3, correct, to decorate or only for the designing purpose. Okay, just let us put a 0 here. And this 7 by 10 can be written as 0.7. okay, to design it, just put a 0 here, 0.7. okay, now this 0.1 is read as 0.1, correct. This 0.3, this is read as 0.3, this is read as 0.7, correct. I hope you are understanding this one. Very simple it is, huh? We are starting with very simple things we are discussing only. Now a question for you, what will be the decimal expression of this 2/10? Yeah, it is read as 2/10. Now we can write it as, you see, how can we convert this as a point? Just you need to write the numerator. The numerator is what? 2 here, and since it is 10, we will put a point. This dot are known as point. So since it is the denominator is what? 10. The denominator is 10, so we will put a point just before one digit, so one digit here we will put the point, and to decorate only we can write a 0 here. Okay, similarly if I have 4 by 10, what I could write, just 4 can be written as like this. And since it is 10, we would put a point, single point, just before one digit. Here we can write and 0 here. So 0.4. okay, and it is read as 0.2 and it is read as 0.4. I hope till here it is clear. Okay, now just you stay tuned with me to learn it better or perfectly. Okay, the subsequent part, this is the part 1 only, and in this part only we will discuss the 10th. So in the later part we will discuss about 100. Similarly we will discuss about the 1000. Okay, so I hope I will make 4 or 5 parts of this lesson video, 4 or 5 part of the video part, subsequent part. Okay, this is part 1 only. Now you can see here, this is a already drawn figure. Okay, now I just want to color this box as 0.8. So what can we do? 0.8, you can just see this one. When it was 0.8, just relate this one. Okay, this 0.1 and the figure 0.1, one box is colored. 0.3, 3 boxes are colored. 0.7, 7 boxes are colored. So how many boxes I need to color in this case? Since it is 0.8, how many boxes I will color? Come on, you say the answer. Come on, tell me the answer. 8. Yeah, 8 boxes we can color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I right? Yeah. So 0.8 can be expressed as 8 box, shading or coloring 8 box out of the 10 boxes. Correct? Okay. Till here it is right. Perfect. Now, now you see this one. There are 4 figures. This is one part, and this is one part. Suppose now we can see here all the boxes are colored. So when all the boxes are colored, we can write it as 1, a whole number 1. Okay, a complete thing 1, and this is a fractional part. So what we can write here, out of the 10 boxes we have drawn or we have shaded 3, so 3 by 10. That means this whole figure is 1 plus 3 by 10. So 1 plus 3 by 10 can be written as 1 whole 3 by 10. Again I am repeating, 1 and this is 3 by 10. So completely it is 1 whole 3 by 10. And 1 whole 3 by 10, you just again remember 3 by 10 is what? 3 by 10, what we can write in place of 3 by 10? 3 by 10 is what? 0.3. So in here we can write what? This 1 is 1, and 3 by 10 means 0.3. This time we are not going to write the 0 here. Okay, because already 1 is here. So how can we place another number here? It is already 1. In that case there is no number, that's why we have put 0. Now 1.3. Similarly, what can we write for this part? This is 1, all the parts are colored, so 1. And in here how many parts are colored? 1 2 3 4. 4 out of the 10 parts. 4 out of the 10 parts are colored. So 1 plus 4 by 10. So what we can write? 1 whole 4 by 10. Correct? And 1 whole 4 by 10 can be written as 1.4. Is it clear till here? I think it is clear. Okay. Now 1.3, what we can, it is read as what? 1.3 can be read as 1.3. okay, and it can be written, it can be read as 1 whole 3 by 10, 1 whole, or you can say 1 and 3/10. Yeah, 1 and 3/10 you can write, or you can read. And similarly in here you can read it as 1.4. okay, and this is 1 and 4/10. 1 and 4/10. Now you come to this figure. This is the homework, or this is a question. Okay, so suppose I want to I need, suppose I need suppose one hole and say 710, or you can say 1.7. I need 1.7, right? Yeah, it is better, huh? Just actually I need not to write this one. 1.7. Okay, 1.7 is just now I cannot rub this one. This is not the blackboard. Okay, no problem. Now see 1.7, what do we need to do? 1.7 I need to color. So 1.7, since this is 1, so 1 can be write 0.7 means 7/10. So I know that this part will be 7 out of 10 and this part will be 1, correct? 1 plus 7/10, then only it is 1.7, it will become 1.7. So the whole part will be colored, since it is 1. So the whole part will be colored, and out of this, in here 7 boxes will be colored. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have colored 1.7 of this figure. So similar type of question is already present in the exercise 37. In your exercise 37, this is for the St. Joseph School only. So that's why the book used in the St. Joseph School class 4. Okay, so exercise 37. In the exercise 37 there are a lot of questions, not a lot of questions, only 9 or 10 questions are there. So from that book you can practice. Okay, so in the next part we will discuss about the 100. We will discuss about what? 100. And also we will discuss, okay, thousands we will discuss, and hundreds we will discuss in the next part of this video. So in this part we have discussed about 10th. I hope you have understood it well, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Thanks for listening. God bless you all.